Guys, welcome. So in this video, we will show you entry level smartphone, Realme C3 smartphone review. So Realme C3 main starting level smartphones in the starting level price Realme C3 smartphone. Very interesting features in it. So that's why we will video. So let's get into it. As Realme C3 is a smartphone full review. So first section we will RAM, camera, battery life. Second is main highlight feature. So this smartphone price range is a highlight feature. So that feature is smartphone where market smartphone compare. Okay. So guys, first we smartphone is an entry level smartphone. So entry level smartphone is price start smartphone. So the price is 7,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees 3 GB RAM and 32 GB memory. So this smartphone display size is 6.5 inches. There is 5,000 mAh battery. The camera setup is real camera 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel. So the front camera 5 megapixel. So this camera setup is camera setup price range. We have two colors available. Frozen blue and red phone available. So this smartphone is Realme C3 smartphone. The main highlight feature is Helium G70 processor. So guys, this Helium G70 processor is a processor. Guys, this smartphone this smartphone value this processor guys. So this processor main gaming guys. Gaming working guys. So this smartphone price title this smartphone gaming. So this smartphone main highlight is the processor. So Helium G70 processor. I game handling guys. PUBG phone handling. So we have a smartphone. Smartphone compare. So Beebom YouTube channel comparison video display. So you can benchmark Redmi Note 8 smartphone. So this smartphone is a choice. So Realme C3 is a smartphone. Value for money. You purchase the money value on the smartphone. So your smartphone overall review your smartphone camera processor wise gaming smartphone. So your smartphone is an entry level smartphone. Title smartphone best choice. So your smartphone year 2020 entry level price best smartphone I recommend. This version C2 I personally use. So C3 is a smartphone. You can value. So this battery capacity is 5,000 mAh battery capacity. The camera is setup. So this smartphone is gaming. So this variant is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal memory. So this smartphone is smartphone. So guys, this is smartphone gadget videos. This smartphone reviews channel. So you can subscribe. So see you next video. Peace out.